Yo, I'm not gonna lie, man. Just taking a look at the resale prices on the Air Jordan 11 Gratitude. This might be a first, bro. This might officially be a first where we have a Christmas Air Jordan 11 going for under retail prior to them even dropping. Am I tripping, or is this the first time y'all seen that as well, man? What's going on, YouTube, man? Thanks for tapping into today's video, man. It is greatly appreciated, man. I want to come up on YouTube, you know what I'm saying, a couple days prior to the Air Jordan 11 Gratitude drop and just kind of talk about and see what is going on as far as these Jordan 11s. Should you buy them now? Should you wait? We're going to talk about investing or anything like that, because I know if you're watching this channel, you are a true, you know what I'm saying, collector. You want to see what you should add. You want to see how they look on feet. You want to know how to style them, all that good stuff. And today we're going to talk about, like I said, how these Air Jordan 11s have been moving these last couple of weeks prior to the drop, man. But if you guys are new to the channel, right now what I need everybody to do is subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell for your boys to miss out on any content that we do drop, and go ahead and leave a huge like on today's video, man. Them likes is free and it helps the channel grow, man. And I hope y'all don't think I forgot about the giveaway on these joints. We about to be going live very soon. That's why I always tell y'all, man, hit the notification bell ASAP on the channel so you notified when we do go live. We're gonna put everybody's name on a wheel. We're gonna spin that thing with whoever it lands on, bro. You're gonna be getting a free pair of Air Jordan 11 Gratitudes, man, in your size, bro. Not in nobody else's size, in your size. All right, so like I said, bro, I went ahead and looked over on StockX. I went ahead and went over and looked at the GOAT and a couple other sites like eBay and stuff like that, bro. These things are already going for under retail. And I was like, bro, why is that happening? Is it because of the shock drop? Is it because of the exclusive access that happened on sneakers? Is it because of the E that happened on JD or Finish Line? And I don't think it's any of that, bro. Just looking back at some of the past releases we have gotten, Fear 3s. I'm just looking around a couple of sneakers that we do have right here. A bunch of these Jordan releases that we have been getting haven't already been going for under retail or right at retail, which we are not accustomed to, bro. We're not used to it. We're used to paying $300 plus for a pair of sneakers. We used to paying $400 plus for a Jordan 1, but now the times have changed. Everything has switched as far as momentum. I know a lot of people will credit that to, you know what I'm saying, the inflation currently going on in America. We all gotta say that, bro. The inflation has been crazy. It's been kicking everybody's tail. But as far as sneakers, you know what I'm saying, on a more serious note, as far as sneakers, bro, they have felt that effect as well, bro. So pairs like this, when Jordan dropping a million pairs and stuff like that, they're not gonna be going for over retail, bro. They're gonna be going for right at retail. I know a lot of people probably think that means like it's gonna be easy cop. Is it gonna be a super easy W? And I don't necessarily think that is the case, bro. So some people might see that resale value and be like, yo, I ain't gotta worry. I'm gonna sit back, I'm gonna relax, and I'm gonna get my pair the same day of the drop. And you might be lucky, bro. You might be lucky. It might be sitting in stores. I think this is gonna be one of those sleeper sellout sneakers. It's because it is a Jordan 11. It's a couple weeks before Christmas, and I'm telling y'all, bro, people that don't even know about sneakers are gonna go in the mall and see these things sitting like, yo, it's a pair of 11s. I can get this for such and such. I can get this for my nephew, my niece, my son, my dog. They can get it for anybody because how low that resale value is. And pairs are gonna start slowly, you know what I'm saying, disappearing from all these sneaker stores, bro. So I definitely do not think that it's gonna be as easy as people think just because of the resale value, bro. Usually like a pair of Jordan 1s, if you see a pair of Jordan 1s going for under retail, you probably most likely gonna be able to get them for some weeks to come. But as far as these being a Jordan 11, a notable silhouette in the Jordan Nike line, I do not think that is the case. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull up StockX real quick just to check out the prices, man. You know what I'm saying? Last time I looked, my size was only going for like 210, 215. But currently right now, bro, for a size 9, these things are going for $212, bro. $212, bro. These things retail for 230 bones, and they're already going for about 20 bucks under that retail price. Of course, you got to factor in, you know what I'm saying, all the shipping and fees and stuff like that. But as far as these being under retail already a couple of days before the drop, kind of, you know what I'm saying, points at a couple things, bro. Either that retail price is too high, or it's millions of pairs which people are still gonna buy, bro. Like I said, don't let that resale value, you know what I'm saying, make you think it's gonna be an easy cop. Like, it might be easy for most of y'all, might be easy, but for the regular, you know what I'm saying, sneakerhead, people that don't buy sneakers regularly, I don't know what you call those people, but people that don't buy shoes as much as you would say somebody like me are probably going to be a little bit surprised when trying to add these things, especially if Foot Locker app is bugged out, especially if Sneakers app is bugged out, and different, you know, sites like that we're accustomed to, you know what I'm saying, bots going crazy. I think that is going to happen with these Air Jordan 11 Gratitudes, bro. Super clean sneaker. I've been telling y'all, bro, I know when I first seen the pictures, I said, I want the DMPs, bro. We didn't get the DMPs. They gave us these Gratitudes, and I said, you know what? After peeping them out, bro, after looking at them, the gold hits, you know what I'm saying, gold 2-3, you got the leather upper, you got the nice milky outsoles, bro. This is a clean pair of Air Jordan 11s, bro. I was just more stuck on the fact that I did want the DMP. I want the gold hang tag. I want the box. I want the whole 9 to come with the DMPs. But they said, no, we're going to give you guys the Gratitude 11s. Pretty much thanking everybody for all the support we have been showing, all the money we have been giving Nike over these last, what, 20, 30, 40 plus years. However many years it's been. It's been a long time, bro. And now we're here and we have a pair of Jordan 11s going for under retail already on different sneaker platforms, bro. But I want everybody to comment down below. Let me know how you feel about the Jordan 11 Gratitudes. Are these 100% cop? Do you already have a pair secured? Man, I'm super interested in knowing, bro. Just look at that. Look at them hits, bro. The patent leather is super nice, super clean. 2-3 on the back. Just immaculate as far as craftsmanship, leather quality, not a lot of factory flaws, nothing crazy like that. So I cannot wait till the release date this Saturday, see how everybody does, see who all gets W's, see who all takes L's, and just kind of see overall how this Jordan 11 release is going to go. Like I said, man, we'll be going live really soon, bro. Give you a little, little hint, you know what I'm saying? We're going to be going live real soon, giving away a free pair of these things in one lucky supporter size. So stay tuned for all that by hitting the notification bell ASAP, man. Subscribe to the channel. Make sure you leave a huge like on today's video. Go ahead and go crazy down below in the comment section, man. With all that being said, yeah, I'm gonna catch you guys in the next video. We got a dope one to unbox for you guys tomorrow, man. Peace.